Welcome to YouSound Relaxation with a guided visualization for creating the ideal family relationships with trust, love, and harmony. Find a comfortable space where you can relax and focus your attention. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs, and slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Repeat this 3 times. As you inhale, imagine breathing in the refreshing ocean air, filling your lungs with a sense of calm and tranquility. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the soothing sounds of waves gently crashing on the shore. Visualize yourself surrounded by your loving family on a beautiful beach. See your daughters standing beside you, radiating love, trust, and open communication. Feel the bond of trust and mutual respect between you, as they share their thoughts, dreams, and challenges with complete honesty. Envision a protective shield surrounding your family bond, safeguarding it from any negative forces, influences, or energy. See the shield as a powerful barrier, allowing only love, harmony, and positive energy to flow within your family. Embrace the comfort and security it provides, knowing that your bond is protected and nurtured. Affirm to yourself, "I'm creating the ideal bond with my daughters. Our relationship is built on love, trust, and open communication. We support and understand each other. Our family bond is harmonious, peaceful, and protected from negativity." Take a moment to immerse yourself in the feelings of love, trust, and harmony that come with knowing you are creating and preserving the ideal family relationships. As you continue visualizing, see your family spending quality time together, enjoying the beach and each other's company. Visualize regular family activities and adventures, strengthening the bond between you and creating cherished memories. Feel the love and support shared between your daughters and their siblings, witnessing their deep connection and growing bond. Visualize them supporting and caring for one another, creating a strong and loving sibling relationship that is shielded from negative forces, energy, and influences. Embrace the joy of unconditional love between you and your daughters. Feel the support and loyalty that flows between you, knowing that you are a united team, facing any challenges that come your way. Visualize peaceful and positive communication within your family. See yourselves having harmonious conversations, resolving conflicts with understanding and compassion. Sense the growth and strengthening of your relationships as you communicate openly and authentically. Affirm to yourself, "I am grateful for the happiness and well-being of my daughters. We love and support each other unconditionally. Our family is a strong team, protected from negativity. We communicate peacefully and positively, fostering growth and understanding." Take a moment to bask in the feelings of love, harmony, and gratitude that come with knowing your family relationships are thriving. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath, exhale gently, and open your eyes. Carry this visualization and affirmations with you throughout your day, allowing them to align your energy and intentions with the ideal family relationships you desire. Trust in the power of love, trust, and open communication to nurture and strengthen your family bonds. Subscribe to YouSound Relaxation for more transformative content and relaxation with visualizations. Like and share this video with others who seek to cultivate love, trust, and harmony in their family relationships.